Today, we learn the important body parts of arms and hands. These words help you talk about your body in English. Arm, elbow, wrist, hand, finger, thumb. Each part has a special job and place on your body. Arm is the long part of your body from shoulder to hand. It helps you reach, lift, and carry things. Your arm has strong bones and muscles inside. Both sides of body have one arm each. Elbow is the joint in middle of your arm. It bends when you bring hand toward shoulder. Elbow connects upper arm to lower arm. You use elbow to rest on table or carry things close to body. Wrist is the joint between arm and hand. It moves side to side and helps hand turn. Wrist has small, strong bones called carpals. You twist wrist to turn doorknob or wave hello. Hand is end part of arm with palm, fingers, and thumb. Hands hold, grab, and touch things. Each hand has 5 fingers total. You clap, shake, and write with hands every day. Finger is one of 5 long parts on hand. You have 4 fingers plus 1 thumb on each hand. Fingers help pick up small things, point, and touch. Each finger can bend at joints. Thumb is special, short, strong finger on side of hand. Thumb moves across to touch other fingers. This helps hold pencil, button clothes, and grip tools. Thumb works different from other fingers. You learned 6 important words: arm, elbow, wrist, hand, finger, thumb. Practice these words every day. Point to each part on your body and say the name. Now you know arms and hands in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.